Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Let's learn colors name in Arabic language. First of all, we need to learn colors name in Arabic language without any delay. Let's go to the video. Ahmaru, red. Asfaru, yellow. Azraku, blue. Akhdaru, green. Aswadu, black. Abyadu, white. So these are very common colors in Arabic language. But these are adjectives. In Arabic language, adjectives has two sides, masculine sides and feminine side. In English language, like the book is good, the book is red, it's one side, like there is no feminine or masculine. But in Arabic language, you'll see two sides of any kind of adjectives, masculine form and feminine form. As the colors is adjectives, so it must have feminine and masculine forms, two sides. So what I have told you just earlier, those were masculine form only. These six colors follows a pattern. The masculine pattern is af'alu and the feminine pattern is fa'la'u. If I say in a masculine form ahmaru, which means red, the feminine form would be hamra'u. Follows the pattern. If I say asfaru, which means yellow, feminine form would be safra'u, safra'u. Azraqu, zarqa'u. Aswadu, sawda'u. Abyadu, bayda'u. Masculine and feminine both are important in Arabic language. In any other language, I don't know anything. But in Arabic language, you cannot skip masculine and feminine words. So you must know the adjectives in feminine form and masculine form. And obviously it follows a pattern, so you don't need to memorize the feminine form. If you can just learn the masculine form and you know the pattern, so you don't need to memorize the feminine form again. The rest of the colors name follows a simple pattern. Burtuqaliyun, which means orange. It's a masculine form. What would be the feminine form of burtuqaliyun? It's super simple. It follows a simple pattern, which is Tamarbuta at the end. We call it Tamarbuta. If we add Tamarbuta at the end, it refers this is a feminine word. The meaning is same, but the form is different. Masculine is burtuqaliyun. Feminine form is burtuqaliyatun. I'm gonna give you another example. Dhahabiyun, gold. Make it feminine form. Dhahabiyatun, dhahabiyatun. See how easy. And rest of the colors name follows this pattern. At the end, iyun makes iyatun. Make sense? Okay. The first six colors name I have told you just earlier, those are exceptional. Those follows the pattern. Af'alu in masculine, feminine is fa'la'u. Let's put them into sentences. Let's speak a sentence. هذا البيت, this house, أحمر, red. هذا البيت أحمر, this house is red. هذا البيت أصفر, this house is yellow. هذا البيت أسود, this house is black. You understand it? You were using this color's name after a masculine words. Adjective always follow the noun. Is this masculine or feminine words? How can you understand masculine or feminine words? It's super simple. You can understand by their meaning, or at the end you will see the tamarbuta. Sayaratun is a feminine word because there is a sign at the end, tamarbuta. You see, that was the sign of feminine words. So هذه السيارة, this car is the feminine form of أحمر. You know it. حمراء. Just put it. هذه السيارة حمراء. If you say هذه السيارة أحمر, that's gonna be wrong. If you say هذه السيارة حمراء, that's gonna be right. هذه السيارة زرقاء. This car is blue. هذه السيارة صفراء. This car is yellow. هذه السيارة بيضاء. This car is white. You guys are so intelligent at learning Arabic. That means you guys are so unique. And rest of the colors names, those are so easy. برتقالي, orange. you can put this in sentences very easily, like هذا البيت برتقالي. This house is orange. This house is orange, because baitun is a masculine word and you put burtuqaliyun in a masculine form. Sayaratun is a feminine words, and you have to put feminine form of burtuqaliyun. What is the feminine form of burtuqaliyun? Burtuqaliyun becomes burtuqaliyatun in a feminine form. Clear? So put it in sentences. هذه السيارة برتقالية. برتقالية. هذه السيارة برتقالية. This car is orange, right? Let's take one another color. هذا الكتاب بني. This book is brown. هذه الشجرة بنية. This tree is brown. هذه I forgot. I'm sweating. And most importantly, when you start learning a language, you definitely have to be patient. Some people say, I want to learn Arabic, I want to learn Arabic. After 2 days, 3 days, I have a work, I don't have time. Like this, you cannot say these things while learning a language. You cannot skip it. Like, I need to learn new vocabularies as much as possible. I need to buy some books at any cost. I need to like the post that is related to my language, what I am learning. I need to comment it, what is related to my language. Because if you like, comment, so that means the social media is thinking that you are engaging with this content. So social media will give you most of these types of content to you. It will benefit you. How? Your environment will be in that language. Like if you're learning Arabic, like that post which is Arabic, comment that post which is Arabic, share that post which is Arabic. So that social media will give you much more that types of videos in your timeline. So your environment will be Arabic. So when your environment is Arabic, so you will not get demotivated. Very, very good tricks I have told you just before. If you didn't listen carefully, go back and listen again, and bye for now.